aha district akakiiko akantu kaba kebemerera omukuru w'abakozi ningashikaho hamwe n'abandi bakuru b'ebitongore abirikurwanirira obugabe bw'abaana bakuru b'amadini n'abandi abicuri kukwataho
tukwatanisize office yanje ya probation ekwatanisize na mukuru w'abakozi na chief administrative officer kakashitama akakiiko katorana abo abiteka liraragira ngo babe nibo baza akakiiko mbwenu itwerizo batwaba abanyamugisha okutongoza akakiiko akona no kukegese mirimo yako kandi omubantu abatoreinwe tuinemo muramuzi owidara ryo kubanza rationalization enshonga z'abana na families ahabwita bwa Kabale wekitinsa o Port Pasco
abebembezi b'inamasiko akakiiko akanikija kurwana sevuzi b'ebitwende biteganisa abana mu district age
abana ba Kabale batwireho munyangararo ogwo kuruga omumaka ahabazire baratura bali mu mihondano yo mumaka obumwe kikabarugiriraho no kwangana rero kubarangana buli muzire yakwatogweye abana basigara rwagati babonaboneraho babura owabahabura babura owabahecho kurya babura owabagambira ngo bine kuza kwega babura nangwa no waboleka ekishemerire kukorwa.
We have had elements of children being brought to court and there is no probation officer, and basically we cannot get a background of the child and to know whether, for instance, if you're considering bail, if the child will be safe or if the child is in serious danger or being harmed possibly by the community. For instance, if the community thinks that this child is a perennial thief, is known in the village to be this and that.
Abandi bari akakiiko aka nabo bagamba aha bari kutekateka kukora okugira ngo akakiiko aka kakore imirimo yako kurungi.
Maybe we have to have bi-monthly fellowships. You see, when we come here, this one is a formal meeting place. That's why you see when the magistrate is talking, we are all running. But we need to form this kind of fellowship where we can sit, we face each other, and we talk.
Sensitization is going to be made easier. A team of 3 or 4 will go to the other side and will join the other CDOs in the sub-counties. So at least parents and caregivers, they don't have information of upbringing and growing up their children.
Iteka rukuru mu ihanga neragira ngo abana bahebwe obugabe bwabo oburimo kushoma okwebwa eby'amagara barindwe hakabukora n'ebindi. Gashoka Job na manyu mu Kabale.